I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks for your projects. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a good source of clay, some sand, and plenty of water. For tools, a sturdy brick mold, a large mixing tub, and a trowel are crucial. Adding organic materials like straw or small fibers can significantly enhance the strength of your finished bricks, making them more resilient. Now, let's get our hands dirty and prepare the brick mixture. A good ratio is typically 3 parts clay to 2 parts sand. Begin by thoroughly blending these dry ingredients. Then, slowly introduce water, mixing continuously until you achieve a uniform, thick paste. The consistency should be firm enough to retain its form, yet still pliable for easy molding. With your mix ready, it's time to form the bricks. Firmly press the clay and sand mixture into your mold, making sure to fill every corner and eliminate air pockets. Use a straight edge, like a wooden board or trowel, to level the top surface, creating a smooth, even finish. Then, gently invert the mold to release your newly formed brick onto a flat surface. The final step involves drying and hardening your bricks. Place them in a shaded, well-ventilated spot, away from direct sunlight, to prevent rapid drying and cracking. Turn the bricks every few days to ensure uniform drying on all sides. This crucial air drying phase can extend for several weeks, depending on the humidity and the size of your bricks, leading to strong, durable building blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.